The percent proportion is the ratio of part to whole equals p% as a ratio, which is a ratio of p to 100. Let's look at three examples. What is 20% of 80? Because we're given the percentage, we know one ratio is the ratio of 20 to 100. And because we're looking for 20% of 80, 80 is the whole, the part is unknown. Let's write the proportion as the ratio of 20 to 100 equals the ratio of x to 80. And now to determine equivalent ratios, let's first simplify the ratio of 20 to 100 by dividing both 20 and 100 by 10, which gives us the equivalent proportion, the ratio of 2 to 10 equals a ratio of x to 80. And now focusing on the denominators, because 10 times 8 equals 80, to find x, we multiply 2 by 8. 2 times 8 is 16, giving us the ratio of 16 to 80, and therefore x equals 16, which means 16 is 20% of 80. And now 32 is what percent of 40? Notice here the percent is unknown, 32 is the part, 40 is the whole. Let's write the proportion as the ratio of 32 to 40 equals a ratio of p to 100. Again, let's simplify the ratio of 32 to 40 by dividing both 32 and 40 by 4, which gives us a ratio of 8 to 10 equals the ratio of p to 100. Looking at the denominators, because 10 times 10 is 100, to find p we multiply 8 by 10. 8 times 10 is 80. Because p is 80, or because we have the ratio of 80 to 100, we know 32 is 80% of 40. And for one last example, 40 is 16% of what number? We know one ratio is going to be 16 to 100 because we have 16%. But notice here, 40 is the part because 40 is a 16%, and we're looking for the whole. And therefore the proportion is the ratio of 16 to 100 equals a ratio of 40 to x. Again, we will simplify the ratio of 16 to 100 by dividing 16 and 100 by 4, giving us a ratio of 4 to 25 equals a ratio of 40 to x. Looking at the numerators, because 4 times 10 equals 40, to find x we multiply 25 by 10. 25 times 10 is 250. Because x equals 250, we know 40 is 16% of 250. I hope you found this helpful.